Meteorologist John Adams. John, last night I saw a lot of lightning lighting up the sky. Is the storm going to keep rolling on, or are we going to be clear today?
We're not going to be clear. We've got storms on the way that are just about to enter the western portions of our area, and we'll bring you the latest on that. Right now, we remain overcast across East Texas as we look from the Plaza Tower in downtown Tyler, looking toward the north. Storms, of course, coming in from the west. This is the visible satellite picture that we show you. It is in black and white, but it helps to distinguish where these storms are. And you can see the tops of some of these storms. They are getting on up there, and near Killeen we have another severe thunderstorm warning that has been issued. Some of these storms can produce 60-mile-per-hour winds as well as some large hail. Now you can see how far away they are from East Texas at this point. We're getting the tops of some of those beginning to blow into the western sections of our East Texas area as they approach from the west. Now here's the radar, and it shows right now that around the Killeen area, also up toward Gatesville, that vicinity just to the southwest of Waco, those storms continue to move east. We had one pretty strong storm move there just south of Marlin. It appears to be weakening just a little bit, but there are more storms back to the west. For the example, these back toward the Brownsville vicinity, Brownwood vicinity. And here's East Texas, and right now we don't have anything in our immediate area, but you can see those storms about to cross Interstate 45 will then be heading into our East Texas area, and we will be watching for that possibility of severe storms as we go through the afternoon. Our outlook for severe storms has a slight risk for about the northern 3/4 of our area. It excludes the deep East Texas area around the Lufkin and Lakes area of deep East Texas, but there is a marginal risk for that area, so that's 1 on a scale of 1 to 5. And your severe threats, large hail, damaging winds, and some flash flooding are the main threats that we expect to see as this activity continues to move into East Texas. Got another chance at some severe storms tomorrow. It's a little bit further north, but basically covers almost the same area with that slight risk area, and then extends back into central Texas, so we can see some storms initiating back in that direction in the afternoon. And the marginal risk also covers a portion of the other sections there of deep East Texas. Our temperatures right now starting to show some 80s, high 70s and 80s, so the heat is building up. And of course, these south winds continue to bring that Gulf moisture northward, and our dew points are well into the 70s. You combine that with the heat, and the heat index is going to get involved, as we'll see some of those heat indexes getting into the mid-90s, and then over the weekend we expect some of them to top 100 degrees, especially in deep East Texas, where we expect the actual temperatures to be a little bit warmer. Forecast high temperatures for today around 90 degrees for deep East Texas, high 80s expected in some of the northern sections there along I-20 and northward. Friday morning's forecast lows, most of those are going to be in the lower 70s. High temperatures Friday afternoon near 90 degrees, so they will start to creep upward a little bit more each day as we get into the weekend. Today's forecast, severe storms of course are possible. Chance of rain is 40%. The high temperature expected around 89, south winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Tonight's low about 72, severe storms possible. That's a 50% chance of storms. And then tomorrow we are expecting a high temperature of 91, showers and storms, and heat index perhaps getting as high as 101. Here's the next 7 days, and you can see how the weather improves over the weekend and through Memorial Day next week. We also get a little cooler at the middle part of the week, so we go out of the 90s into the middle 80s again Tuesday and Wednesday. Now deep East Texas, note these high temperatures, especially at the end of the weekend and Memorial Day, are going to be around 94 to 95 degrees before cooling down a little bit. Also, your chances of rain will be a little less as you get into the weekend, but the possibility of a few isolated storms on Monday. Check out that forecast anytime at KETK.com.
John, thank you. A blessing.